It's Tuesday morning. Here I am waking up early for my clinical site. This is how I get ready. So it is currently 5 a.m. I like to give myself an hour in between because I got to meet at clinical site around 6:45 a.m. So turning on the light, giving my brain some time to adjust to the sudden light change. I like to give myself some maybe 10 minutes of just sort of reflecting and meditating a little bit, let my body catch up. So now here I am, getting ready to change, putting on my scrubs. The thing that I highly recommend is getting yourself some compression socks. It really helps to stay on your feet the entire day to promote venous return to your brain. Also, get yourself some Cliff Bar or some energy bar. I like to have a peanut butter on the side. And also get yourself one of these note pads. These are really cool. You can fold them up. You can keep the patient's confidentiality, and then you just put it in your scrubs and you're free to go. I like to stay minimal. I try not to have a lot of things on me because I remember from the first week that I kind of fumbled through so many things. So here I am, I'm driving to clinical. This is one of my favorite time of the day is when I'm driving. I'm looking out in the window and it's completely quiet. You're the early riser. It's starting to rain a little bit, so I get myself in the mood, not knowing what to expect. But my goal today was really trying to connect with the patients and being very confident in presenting myself as a student nurse. So here I am at the hospital, and for obvious reasons, I'm not gonna record anything. I'm not trying to violate HIPAA. But 12 hours have passed, and the thing that I really started to think about was connecting with the patients, and I've really learned a lot today. I would say this week was definitely one of my most learning experience that I had, asking a lot of questions, not being afraid to speak up, to be a patient advocate. My patient, had a lot of different types of comorbidity, had a stroke, she was completely paralyzed. Learning how to overcome that and really speaking for your patients, really connecting with them. I also did some wound changes. I helped fit a patient through a peg tube. There was so much for me to learn, and it really helpful to have a really great preceptor. She was really awesome, and I'm really glad to have her help me out through the day.